NKT Lighthouse in Karlskrona is 150 meters high, the third tallest tower in Sweden. When completed, it will house vertical production lines for extruding NKT high-voltage cables. Like a nervous system, building wires are installed and run through the tower to power machinery, lights and appliances. The job is performed by Assemblin, a leading Nordic installation company with long experience in green technology and smart buildings. The cables of choice for the project, together with smart innovations, come from NKT. The cable drums are brought to the installation area with the help of the NKT Caddy, a sustainable and reusable cable trolley loaded with installation cable which allows the installer to easily bring the material close to the workspace and feed cable as it is being pulled out.
Vi kom i kontakt med Caddy i detta projektet och ville prova på det för våra medarbetares skull. Då vi så stor vinning i arbetsmiljön, nu slippa tunga lyft utan man kunde rulla med sig kabeltrumman och snabbt komma igång med sina arbetsmoment.
Cables are crucial in terms of ensuring everything from lighting and machinery in the building work as intended, and NKT's various cables fulfill different requirements for both production facilities and conference rooms. The NKT EXQ Extra is a standard building wire found in modern facilities with an innovative breakable sheath for exfoliation. It makes working with it easier and safer, with reduced risk of damaging the conductors. For more capacity and an aluminium screen, the variant EXLQ Extra allows for 450 to 750 volts. Both models are flame retardant and environmentally certified. For 1 kV applications, the RXQ Extra cable is chosen for the project. This NKT premium cable features a rugged sheath, resistant to damages while being thin, smooth and flexible. The innovative scaling thread inside the cable enables easy cable stripping and secures best possible working environment and lifelong durability.
Vi jobbar med NKTs RXQ-kabel som är väldigt enkel att ha med att göra. Rivtråden gör att den är väldigt enkel att avmantla. Den har även en knäckmantel som gör att uppskalning blir väldigt snygg och enkel.
At NKT, we're proud of all the cables we produce, and it's reassuring that the installers and project owners think the same. The sky seems to be the limit for the NKT Lighthouse, a beacon in the green transformation.